Welcome to Heaven's Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make a mouth-watering stuffed bell pepper recipe. These delightful peppers are not only visually appealing but they're also packed with incredible flavors. Today, we'll be using green bell peppers, but feel free to experiment with a combination of different bell pepper colors for a stunning presentation. We'll need a large pan over medium heat. Add oil, and once it's heated up, it's time to add the stars of the show, onions and garlic. You'll find the ingredients in the description box below. Sauté them until they turn translucent and release their aromatic fragrance. Now, let's introduce the key ingredient, minced beef. Add it to the pan and cook it until it's beautifully browned. The sizzling sound and the enticing aroma will make your taste buds tingle with anticipation. Once the beef is cooked through, it's time to add tomato sauce and some tomato paste. This will bring a rich, savory element to our stuffing. Add salt, followed by freshly ground black pepper for that delightful kick. To take the taste to the next level, we'll incorporate some dried coriander and mint and some chili flakes. These fragrant spices will infuse our stuffing with an irresistible aroma. Give it a good stir to coat the beef evenly. Now it's time to add the cooked rice. It brings a beautiful balance to the flavors and makes our stuffing more substantial. Mix it in with the other ingredients. Now, let's enhance the flavors with some aromatic herbs. Add a generous amount of fresh parsley and dill, finely chopped. Now add the grated cheddar cheese. Give the mixture a final stir. We'll be using green bell peppers for a classic touch, but feel free to choose any color that appeals to you. Slice off the top of the bell pepper, just below the stem. Now, carefully remove any seeds and white pith from the inside of the pepper. We want to create a clean cavity to hold our flavorful stuffing. Gently stuff the vibrant green bell peppers with our flavorful mixture, making sure to fill them to the brim. Lower the stuffed bell pepper into the heavy cast iron skillet. Repeat this process with the remaining stuffed bell peppers, arranging them side by side in the skillet. Now, let's not forget about the ooey gooey goodness of cheese. Generously sprinkle grated cheddar cheese over the top of the stuffing, letting it melt into a golden, bubbly perfection. Sprinkle a pinch of dried thyme over the cheese. This will infuse the dish with delightful fragrance. Place the skillet in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it work its magic for about 20 minutes or until the peppers are tender. During this time, the bell peppers will soften, the flavors will meld, the cheese will turn golden and bubbly, and the thyme will release its aromatic oils. So, grab your fork and knife, and prepare to experience a symphony of textures and tastes. The combination of the tender bell pepper, the savory minced beef, the aromatic herbs, and the creamy cheese will dance on your palate, leaving you craving more. If you enjoyed this video and found our stuffed bell pepper recipe enticing, we would be incredibly grateful if you could take a moment to show your support. We invite you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest culinary creations. Thank you and see you in the next video.